need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new around here, welcome. My name is Fabiola and I create beauty and fashion and lifestyle videos. So if you like any of that, please hit that subscribe button down there below so that way you guys don't miss out on new videos. So today I am here with a Shein try on haul, and I'm very excited because this is my first Shein haul. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is the first outfit, and I must say that I really love both pieces. I have this top right here with these cute little ruffles with polka dots, and then also these shorts also from the same website, and I must say these are made out of this like really nice material. They are very kind of like silky soft, but they're also thick at the same time, and I believe these are called like bag shorts because they're kind of like have these like ruffles on the waist right here, which I think it's so beautiful. And it also has this cute little kind of belt that you can just tie on the waist and have pockets. Really good material on both items, and I just paired it up with these sandals from Macy's. Next I have this other outfit which I am so in love with, you guys. The top is so pretty. It has all this like really nice lace detailing all the way through the back of the sleeve. I thought it was so pretty. Material is great, very thick material. And then I also paired it up with these shorts that I also got from Shein, and they're very similar to the other style, the black one that I just showed you guys, but I think these are not like the high-waisted because they go like down to like mid-waist. And they are like in this beautiful pink color. They also come with the belt, and they have a side pocket, really pretty, and it has like the ruffles around the whole waist as well. And then I also got these gorgeous sandals from Shein. They have like these like studs all around it. I just wish I would have gotten like a bigger size. I got a size 38, which on their website said that it was like a 7.5 to 8, but they are on the smaller side, so I should have gotten maybe like a 39. So this next dress is gorgeous, you guys, and it's made out of this really nice material. It's kind of like an eyelet dress. Has beautiful detailing all over the sleeves. All in for like lace and eyelets material. I think they look so pretty for the spring and summer, and it has this V-neck detail on the neck. It also comes with this like belt that you can attach. It doesn't have hoops for it though, I don't know why, but it looks cute. And also the bottom part right here has like little ruffles. It's very pretty. The only complaint that I have on this dress is that it is very see-through like down here, so this part right here is not that long, so I might end up getting like a I don't know, like another material to put under it and just get it like done. But it looks really pretty, and I paired it up with these Michael Kors wedges that I got from Macy's, and they look so pretty with this dress. You can also switch it up a little bit if you add like a denim jacket, which I will show you what it looks like after. So here is the same dress paired up with this denim jacket, and I actually like the way it looks like this because it's less dressy, it's more casual. And this is just so you guys can get an idea on how an outfit can change dramatically just by adding like a jacket or something different to the style. But I love how it looks with the denim jacket.
Everything that's around is a masterpiece. Just open the eyes of your own heart. The trials of life brings us new experience, so just keep on.
Okay, so next up is this gorgeous dress that I am just amazed. This dress is so beautiful. The quality is so soft. Very nice material. It's like almost like a silky kind of material, and it has ruffles on the sleeves and then also ruffles all the way down the skirt. The length is great, especially if you're a mom, and it also comes with this like little strap belt that you can just add to the waist. But oh my goodness, you guys, this dress is gorgeous. and it's just so pretty. So I paired it up with these Valentino dupes, and I got these at Macy's. So in love with this outfit, you guys. The last outfit, and this shirt I also got from Shein. It is so pretty. It's also this like eyelet material, which I am so into right now, and it has this like ruffles on the front right here, which I like because it's not like a tight top, and I just like it when it's more looser around the waist area. I think it looks really pretty. It has this like ruffle detail on the sleeves. It is more on the see-through side. I do have like a nude bra, so that way it doesn't show as much. And I just paired it up with these shorts. These shorts are from KANCAN, I believe. They're so soft and very stretchy material. And I wanted to show you guys these new sandals that I just recently got. I got these at Target, you guys, and look how pretty they are. They have these like little let me see if I can zoom in. These little kind of like gold studs at the bottom right here, but they are so comfy, really nice material, and they're perfect for the summertime. So yeah, and then I just paired it up with this necklace. This necklace here is from Bobble Bar, and it actually had more strands, but I just didn't really like all that, you know, thing going on. So with too many strands, so I did take a strand out, and I just think it looks prettier like this.